Let's find the derivative of sine cubed of x with respect to x. First, we add brackets on the left and on the right around the sine function, and write the 3 as an exponent on the outside. We need to do this in order to identify the inside and outside functions easily. Here, the inside function is sine of x, and the outside function is the cubing function. Recall that the chain rule states that the derivative of a composition of two functions is the derivative of the outside, evaluated at the inside, multiplied by the derivative of the inside. In our case, then, we bring the 3 down, copy the inside of sine x unchanged, subtract 1 from the 3 in the exponent, and set up the multiplication by the derivative, with respect to x, of the inside sine x. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Your support is super important. Getting back to the math, 3 minus 1 gives us 2 as the new exponent, and the derivative of sine of x is cosine x. By convention, the exponent of 2 gets placed as a superscript between the words sin and the argument x. At this step, we also drop the brackets to get the final answer. Here is all the work from top to bottom for easy reference.